darkness to light.
Lead us from darkness to light.
Jnanam of knowledge.
The lamp of knowledge
Shines brightly.
shines brightly.
To express our heartfelt appreciation, I request our MD for the most awaited event of the evening, the Great Quiz Competition. Which is about to begin. Competing today, we have four formidable houses, each representing legendary personality. First up is Gandhi House, embodying truth and non-violence. The participants of Gandhi House here in this quiz competition are Adya Shrivats from class 7th, Ayan Kanatia from class 3rd, Akshat Bhola from class 4th, Mudit Mahajan from class 5th, Adyan Bamotra from class 6th, Diya Sheetal from class 7th, representing Gandhi House in today's quiz competition. Everyone, give a huge round of applause for all these little kids. Representing courage and eloquence. The captain here in the Sarojini House, class 8th, followed up by his co-participants Ashish Baba, class 7th, Padam Shri, class 6th, Vivan Bhardwaj, class 5th, Amit Singh, class 4th, Priyansh from class 3rd. Ladies and gentlemen, give a huge round of applause for the participants of Sarojini House. Kruti Sharma from class 7th, followed up by her co-participant Shania, class 7th, Lakshya Hans, class 3rd, Divan Salaria, class 6th. Applause for the Becoming House. The captain of Tagore House here in this quiz competition is Shivansh from class 8, Kritika Sharma, class 3rd, Nitish Kumar, class 5th, Yashwata Singh, class 6th, and Tanvi Rajput, class. Are 5 captivating rounds, each designed to test different aspects of knowledge. Round 1 is Blitz round. So Gandhi House, are you ready? So yeah, Pingari Venkya is the right answer, ladies and gentlemen. Who wrote the national anthem of India? Shri Rabindranath Tagore is absolutely the right answer. And who wrote the first loop complete हुआ है? Move करते हैं second loop की. The question is, name the country known as the land of rising sun. Sarojini House State receives the Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is absolutely the right answer. Ma'am, Golden Temple? No, I asked which fort in India is known as the Golden Fort. So let's pass. Is the right answer for Tagore House, which is the highest rank in Indian Army. Which rank is considered as highest rank in Indian Army? Field Marshal is right answer, ladies and gentlemen. 5 marks for Tagore House. किसी के साथ for Gandhi House. Which Indian cricketer received the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award in 2024? Virat Kohli is the right answer. Anand House, your question is? The Dronacharya Award, a famous sports award, is awarded in which category of sports? Coach is the right answer. Dronacharya Award coach को दिया जाता है to win a medal at the 2023 World Athletics Championship. Neeraj Chopra is the right answer. उनको पद्म भूषण भी मिला था इस इंडिया में. Very good, very nice. इसी के साथ round 1. ये है some lightning fast action. Let's see where our team stands.
आज के इस क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट में टाइनी स्कॉलर स्कूल कठुआ, उसकी एमडी मैडम रेस्पेक्टेड निशा गुप्ता जी, उनके साथ ही मेरे साथ बैठे थे प्रोफेसर कुलदीप सिंह जी और मेरे भाजपा संगठन के सहयोगी युवा मोर्चा और महिला मोर्चा की बहनें। निशा जी, मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी करते हैं, which is extra पॉलिटिक्स में भी जा रहे हो, ज्योग्राफी में भी जा रहे हो, सब में जब पढ़ते कब पढ़ते हो ये सब। अब जब हम तक पहुंचोगे तो समझ नहीं आती आप क्या हो गए। जी बंडल चाहेदा पिठुआ, आला यू आर बंडल चाहेदा पिठुआ। अपने तालियां मारो। तो परीक्षा पे चर्चा होती है, माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जो हमारी शिक्षा मंत्री देते हैं, तो हमारे कठुआ के टाइनिस कॉलेज स्कूल के बच्चे मुझे जरूर देखूंगी एक दिन, मैं जरूर देखूंगी स्क्रीन पे जरूर जाओगे, क्योंकि अभी वो छोटे छोटे बच्चे थे 3rd क्लास के, इतना नॉलेज आपको। तो मेरी ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। और जो सबसे फर्स्ट आया है सरोजनी हाउस को जोरदार ताली मारो। उसके बाद आए माय हीरो मेरे आदर्श स्वामी विवेकानंद जी, गांधी हाउस के लिए होती। आप यहाँ पे आए हो, आपने पार्टिसिपेट किया, ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। आप कितनी बधाई देती हूँ, ताली मारती हूँ, ठीक है। आप सुपर, आपकी मैनेजमेंट सुपर है मनीषा जी, इसके लिए आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई देती हूँ। कार्यक्रम होते थे ना, तो कभी कभी समय मिले तो मैं देखती थी टाइनिस कॉलेज स्कूल में, सभी स्कूल को देखती हूँ। तो ये जैसे जी कोई टेंटेशन में पहले भी देखा है, तो मुझे बड़ा आज तो मैंने साक्षात आपके बीच में बैठ के देखा, तो इसका तो मजा ही कुछ हो रहा है ना। तो ये मैं हमारे घर में जो बच्चे हैं उनको भी सिखाऊंगी, उनको भी बोलूंगी कि देखो पढ़ाई के साथ साथ आप पूरे भूगोल का, पूरी राजनीति का, पूरे अपना जो हमारा इतिहास है, ग्रंथ है, हमारे कोई बच्चा बताएगा हमारे भारत के 2 महाग्रंथ कौन से हैं? तो उसके बारे में आप कितना नॉलेज रखते हो, ये बहुत अच्छी बात है। निशा जी एक बात,
प्रिंसिपल, टीचर्स, members from the Memorial, I'm grateful to the school administration for inviting me as a guest of honor in the today's quiz competition. Thank you, ma'am. To you, schools are not just about building and blocks, right? They are the places where the dreams take roots. In the same way, education is not just about textbooks or exams or getting degrees, right? It's a knowledge where you gain here and you will apply in the future, but it depends upon knowledge gives you doors in the nearby future, but your dedication, your attitude will decide how far you go. So knowledge or education, it means you need to build up your character, your curiosity, your creativity. Actually होता ये है कि एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज पे बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस किया है, और आप लोग लकी हो कि आपका स्कूल जो है, आप जिस स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं, वहाँ पे एजुकेशन के साथ साथ इन चीज़ों पे भी फोकस किया जा रहा है। तो इट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग। नॉलेज है वो तो टेस्ट होगा ही होगा, उसके साथ आपका पर्सनैलिटी चेकअप होगा, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस चेक होगा, ठीक है, आपका आप कितना फिजिकली फिटनेस कितनी है आप में, वो सब चीज़ें चेक होगी। डांसिंग है, रीडिंग है, कुछ भी है, बट एक हॉबी अपनी ज़रूर रखिए साथ में।
As they secured the position of second runner-up in today's quiz competition. Tanvi Rajput, class 7. जोरदार तालियां इन बच्चों के लिए।
एक मिनट एक मिनट
Scholar School, Kathua. It is my privilege and honor to propose a vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of each and every person who helped to make the today's event successful. I, on behalf of Tiny Scholar School and the entire fraternity of the institution, first of all extend my most sincere thanks to our chief guest, Ms. Updesh Anotra, District President BJP, Kathua, who graced our today's event due to her busy schedule with her benign presence and motivated our young minds. My vote of thanks also goes to our guest of honor, Dr. Kulbir Singh, Assistant Professor Mathematics, GBC Kathua. Your presence really added to the beauty of the program. Your thoughts have enlightened our young minds and shown them a new path. A special thanks goes to all the members of the BJP who had joined us, helped us to the success of this event. A special thanks goes to our director, ma'am, Mrs. Manisha Gupta, for being with us all the time and guided us to make the event successful. I would like to thank the coordinator from the junior wing, Mrs. Jyoti Sharma ma'am, who is not here but she has supported us and trained our tiny tots from class 3rd and 4th for the competition. Thank you so much ma'am. I would like to extend my gratitude to the organizing committee for their hard work and dedication in putting together this exciting event and successfully propose this event. I would like to acknowledge all the participants who showcase their knowledge and enthusiasm. Your passion for learning and healthy competition truly enriched this event. As we celebrate the winners today, let us remember that every participant is a winner in their own right. Thank you all for being here today. Your presence has made this event special. Let's keep the spirit of the learning alive. Thank you so much.